So this is Karli to make nice Hooman curry and fry. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Tricks cooking channel. Manta तुम्ही सगळी बरी असली सावध आणि बलायकीन आणि hope you are all doing well. So here again it's a season of fish and Karli आमचे कोल्ली and Karli. So today I'm going to show you all how to make curry out of Karli. And in English, this fish is known as silver bar or wolf herring. So it's very tasty, but yes, not for all because long and thorny it is, but it is very tasty and it is one of our Goan's delicacy again. So we Goans love fish because we are born near the sea. Okay, so now this is all. What we need is how many pieces you want to put fish in the curry, that is Karli silver bar. I have taken the head part, one tail, the middle part and 2 pieces. So around this much I will be adding for my curry. Then this is half coconut grated and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we need like 1 whole chili, green chili, and these are our Goan chilies. So it is spicy side, but for Karli you need, for this fish you need 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of this and a small ball of tamarind. So now let's grind this to fine paste, and this recipe is no garlic, no onion, no oil, okay, and no cumin seeds and no coriander seeds. So 5 things you don't need to add for this recipe. So let's grind this to a fine paste. And we need also, so this is the main aroma one which will be used for this curry especially. That's why no cumin, no coriander powder. So this is tefal, that is our Indian Szechuan pepper, and we have to crush this later. Okay. So it's a big coconut, and of that it is half. If you have a small coconut, then it will be full 1 coconut. And then we will add this to this and this one and we'll grind. So for this I had applied salt according to your taste. So just apply salt and keep aside till you grind the masala. So now masala is ready, and now here is my masala. Water, how much you want the curry, thin, thick, it's up to you. So I will add 1 cup. That's it. So this curry is also without oil. So check here this, okay, this is enough. And now we'll keep it for a boil. Now we'll crush this. And this we will give a slit. So as we are getting boil, we'll leave this chili in a tepa and let it get a boil again. So we'll cover this and cook this for 5 minutes. Yes. And now it's time to put our fish in this. And it's just 5 minutes, not for long, and the fish is ready. As I have marinated it with salt, so we'll check accordingly and put our salt. Okay. Yeah, we need salt to this. Please check my curries of fishes. Every curry is different. So now we will add our salt to taste. That's it. And we will cook this for just 5 minutes and it's done. Try this recipe and let me know. And here is our Karli, that is silver bar curry, is ready. Quick, easy. The fish is cooked, and so I will put off the gas now and just put a lid and cover it. And with that also, if it will be nicely, the aroma of everything will go. So put off the gas. Manta तुमका ही सगळ्यांक आवडटली आमची गोंयची ऑथेंटिक ट्रेडिशनल कर्लीची कोडी, that is silver bar, and try this recipe and enjoy. देव बरें करूं. Thank you.
Lovely Karlleche Hooman. Tasty fish in Goa, fresh fish which we got from Friday market. हेजे हुमण करून खायात करा. Enjoy.